Today we are going to see how to perform the CSMA CD on Riverbed software. First we have to select the new project and then give project a name and then scenario name as coax_2. Okay, then next, then in this description select office. Next, give the X span as 200, Y will be 100. Next, and then finish and close this dialog box. Then we have to create a bus topology here. Go into topology, rapid configuration, bus topology. Next, and then we have to select ETH coax here, but we don't see that option here, so we have to add that module. Select module and then go here, we see ETH coax. Okay, so ETH coax underscore station. Then here select this one and then give 30 as the number because we need 30 nodes, and then ETH underscore tab, and here we are going to give 20, and then here 50, and then 170, and then 20. We are done with this. Okay, so we see that we got a bus configuration here with 30 nodes. And then you see this horizontal line here. Just right click on that horizontal line here, right click, edit attributes, select the advanced one. So model, you have to keep this advanced, ETH underscore coax underscore advanced. Okay, after selecting the advanced, we have to give the delay here. This delay should be given as 0.05. Click enter, and then thickness should be given as 5, and click enter. And here this one, and okay, and so we see that the thickness has increased. And then now select nodes. You have to select all the similar nodes, that means all 30 nodes, and then edit attributes. After opening the attributes, then select this traffic generation parameters, so we get here some parameters, and then we see that we have to keep this as constant 5.0, and on state time should be exponential 10, not 10, 100. Okay, and off time should be 0.00001. okay, and interval time should be exponential 2. okay, packet size should be constant. Select constant here. Select constant 1024. okay, so we are done with this. Don't forget to select this apply to selected objects, so that all the 30 nodes will be selected at a simultaneous time. Okay, so we are done with this part. And next we have to go to DES, select choose individual statistics, and we see that here we have option for global statistics and traffic sync and traffic source. We have to select these two options here, traffic received and traffic sent, that is packets per second, and then click OK. Next, again open DES, then choose the advanced statistics, and then here the received and sent packets will be visible, and then edit attributes, and the scalar data is disabled by default, just enable it, and scalar type should be time average. Apply to all selected objects, and then OK. Repeat the same to this sent also. Enabled, then time average, apply to all selected one. OK. Save. To run the program, we have this option here. Just click run, Here we have to change the duration to 30. It's not hours, it is seconds. Values per status is 100, and then run. After running, just close it. After running the first one, we have to create a duplicate scenario here. Go to scenarios, select duplicate scenario, name this as coax_1. Okay. Then coax_3. Okay. Select similar nodes, edit attributes, go to traffic generation parameters, and then packet generation arguments. Now this interval time should be changed. Let us keep it as exponential of 1. This apply to the selected objects. Okay. Now run. Let's close. Here for this simulation we have to create 8 duplicate scenarios for different values. I have shown this here. Each time you create a duplicate scenario, name them as coax_05, _025, 01, 005, like this 8 different scenarios. For this you have to change the attributes as 0.5, 0.25 and then respectively. Each time you create a duplicate scenario, make sure you run the project. I'll just show one to you. You select similar nodes, you go duplicate scenario. Here the first one is _05. Okay. Select similar nodes, edit attributes, go to traffic generation, here packet. Here we have this interval time, so just change this to 0.5. Okay. Apply to the selected nodes. Okay, and then run the program. Run. Select close. So like this you have to do it for 8 duplicate scenarios with different values. After selecting all the 8 duplicate scenarios, we have to view results. Now this is the key, we have to view results. Select the desk parameter studies, and here the current project, and select all these one, coax 2, 3, 5. I've just showed one to you, remaining all you have to do it on your own. 005, 0035, and this one. Unselect this 0025, unselect the include vectors, and just expand this scalar statistics, traffic sync and traffic source. Right click on that, set as y-axis, right click on that, set as x series, and then this is the wave. So we are ready with the result. Thank you.